You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American novelist, author. For more names from literature, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so the spelling of her name is a bit confusing, but it's actually easy once you know. Annie, pretty straightforward, so it's not Annie. Annie Proulx. So essentially the L and the X at the end of the name, her surname, are silent, so do not bother pronouncing them. Proulx, O-U, you could spell it P-R-O-O, Annie Proulx. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.